Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Friday. You guys have done it. You've passed 100 iReady lessons with 100%. That's so exciting. Congratulations. So you voted to have game day. You get to have your game day today. But I have two things for you to do first, okay? Number one, you need to finish and turn in your Halloween writing. Number two, you need to have an adult take a picture of you playing a board game, playing tag outside, or playing a video game, whatever kind of game you choose to play today. I need an adult to take one picture of you and post it to Google Classroom for your attendance. The rest of the day, you get to have fun and play games. You can play tag. You can play card games. You can play Go Fish. You can play Bigger Number. You can use your bump board to play bump. You can play your favorite video game if that's okay with your adult. Be creative and have fun. On Monday, we'll pick the ball back up and we'll start running. Have a great weekend, guys.